How to pause Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pause Instagram Reels. Whether you are watching them on Android or iPhone, the process are same. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Reels icon which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the Reels section, then you simply have to scroll through the Reels, and here once you found the Reels that you want to pause, then you simply have to tap on the video. And here once you do it, the Reels will stay paused. And now here, to resume playing, you simply have to tap on the video again and the reel will continue from where you have paused it. And that's it. That's how you can pause and resume Instagram Reels easily on your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.